as well as a 60/40 split. Nice center armrest there for a premium feel. You have USB jacks. You have a USB jack back here for charging, as well as vents and seat heater controls. And let's hop in the trunk because this is really cool. We have a power operated lift gate, of course. And then we have seats that can fold down with just the flip of the handle, which is a really, really handy feature. You can do it with one hand. It's a great aspect. So then you've got this enormous